Adobe Illustrator 2026 new feature. Edit all similar shapes instantly with global edit. Let's get started. As you can see, we already have several similar shapes on the artboard. Now go to the select menu and click on Start Global Edit. Instantly, Illustrator detect all similar objects automatically. I will select the star shape. Let's change the color to yellow. And increase the size slightly. All the similar star shapes are updated instantly across the entire design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator tips and new feature tutorials.